Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from your Coinbase wallet to Mexc in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just looking to move your funds efficiently, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it ideal for transfers without worrying about price fluctuations. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a Coinbase Wallet account with some USDT in it and a verified Mexc account. This ensures everything goes smoothly and securely. Okay, let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase wallet using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your USDT balance. It's usually listed under your assets. Step 2. Click on the USDT asset to open it. Then select the Send or Withdraw option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 3. You'll need the Mexc wallet address. Head over to your Mexc account, go to the wallet section, and copy the deposit address for USDT. Make sure it's for the Tron or Ethereum network. Double check that it matches what Coinbase uses to avoid any issues. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste the Mexc wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and review any fees. These can vary based on the network, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 5. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify it with your email, phone, or two-factor authentication for security. Step 6. Once sent, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if it's on Ethereum. It should show up in your Mexc wallet within a few minutes to an hour. A quick tip: always verify wallet addresses multiple times to prevent scams or errors. Also, be aware of network congestion that might delay your transfer. And there you have it. Your USDT is now on Mexc, ready for trading or whatever you need. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.